Okay, I started my 2015-2016 breeding season. I've got my pairs in my cages. I've already put nests in them, as you can see. Kind of hard to see inside the cage, but mostly have yellows and greens in this cage. This set of cages are all yellow canaries. Got the males in the middle. I already have some males and females together because the female didn't hesitate to build the nest. Over here, just some odds and ends. Over here, mostly have whites. Try just consolidating whites and browns. And then over here are all my reds. They're not very red, they didn't give any dye. Again, all my males are in the middle. Again, some of them are together because the female already built the nest that fast. So we'll see. This is number one of many more to come. And we'll see what happens this year.